tartelettes, it's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick look that you can do for Valentine's Day. Normally I would probably be in my pajamas on Valentine's Day, like curled up on the couch watching a movie and ordering takeout, but it's our first Valentine's Day as a married couple, so I feel like we should go out to dinner and celebrate. Anyway, this is the look I'm going to be doing on Valentine's Day, so follow along and let me know in the comments down below what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I already have my brows done and my complexion done, but I am going to use our Tartelette in Bloom. I'm using all Valentine's themed products, so Tartelette in Bloom because it's pretty and flowers. Hopefully you'll be getting flowers for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to go into this palette and I'm going to kind of do a smoky eye. So I'm going to probably play mostly with these shades right here, Smoke Show, Activist, Leader, and I of course will use Funny Girl in my inner corner and probably Sweetheart in the crease because that's my favorite crease shade. So I'm just starting in the crease with the shade Sweetheart and I'm just sweeping that. Now I'm taking the shade Flower Child and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. And then I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm just going to take that shade Leader right here and I'm actually going to darken the crease. So I'm going to start on the outer corner and then I'm just going to blend it into the crease. So just pack it on. If it's messy, it's okay because you're going to just blend it up and into that crease. Now I'm going to darken that outer corner even more using the shade Activist right here. I'm just going to again pack it onto that outer corner and then blend it out. I'm also blending it into the center of the lid. Okay, so before I line my lower lash line with shadow and do my inner corner with that highlight, I always like to put some concealer under my eyes, just clean up any fallout that I might have. So I'm going to take our Aqua Sealer. I'm just going to apply it right under my eyes. And down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. And I also like to outline my brows just to give them more depth. And now I'm just going ahead and I am going to just blend this all out. A good rule of thumb when choosing your concealer shade is to go a shade lighter than what your foundation is. That's if you're going to want to brighten up your under eyes and the high points of your face, then you're going to go a shade lighter. If you're just trying to conceal pimples, you're going to want to use the same shade as your foundation. Now I'm going back with the shade Activist and I'm going to line my lower lash line with it. Now I'm going in with Funny Girl right here and I'm just going to pop that in my inner corner to brighten it up and make my eyes look more awake. And when you do put this in your inner corner, you kind of want to drag it into the center of the lid as well. So you're really just brightening up that whole inner corner and just kind of bringing it across the lid. Now I'm taking our Tarte Double Take Liner and I'm actually going to use the liquid side and I'm just going to line my upper lash line with this. Now I'm applying one of my OG favorite mascaras, our Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I'm just going to do one coat before I apply my lashes. Now it's time for some lashes and I'm going to apply our Flirt lashes for Valentine's Day. So the eyes are done. Now I'm just going to bronze and highlight with our Tarte Pro Glow palette. I'm going to be using the shade Sculpt to contour my cheekbones, and then I'm going to use the shade Fire to highlight. And then keeping the Valentine's Day theme, I'm going with the blush Risque. This is our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this is one of my favorite shades actually. Then last but not least, to top it all off, I'm gonna do a bold red lip, which is something that I don't normally do, but Valentine's Day, you gotta do it. So I'm gonna use our Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick in the shade Daiquiri. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know in the comments down below if you're trying this out at home, and let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have a great day filled with love no matter what you're doing. Until next time, I'll see you later, tartelettes. Bye!